Arrow Pest Service. This is Christina. How may I help you? Hey Tristyn, what's up? What? Where are you? How many accounts do you have left? Oh no. Hold on 1 second. Matt.
Yeah.
It's Tristyn. This car won't start.
Hey, what's up, man? What's wrong with it? Are you serious? Where you at? The landings? 105 landings? Okay. Man, great. It's not Monday, is it? All right, how many more accounts you got? 10 more accounts? Okay. All right, well, let me get my truck and I'm gonna head that way. Okay, we're gonna figure this out. I'll be there shortly. All right, bye. Man, okay. Well, all right, I'll be right back.
All right.
Got a call from one of our guys, or one of our trucks are broke down. We got tons of work that we need to do. It's raining. Man, this is so aggravating. It's always something. But you know what? We're gonna get this thing done. We're gonna go get this truck picked up. We're gonna get it to the shop. We're gonna get another guy over there and they're gonna pick him up. They're gonna get their route done. They're gonna get this thing done. There's people that are expecting us to get this work completed. And that's what we're gonna do. We're not gonna let a broke down truck get in the way. We're just not gonna do it. I'm gonna tell you what, you're always gonna run into problems, you're always gonna run into obstacles, but you can find a way around these things. And as aggravating as they can be sometimes, you know what? We're always gonna make it through it. Because I always say that problems and obstacles, don't let them make you bitter, let them make you better. We've been through Hurricane Michael, we've been through COVID, and so our mindset is this: whatever it takes to get the job done. So I'm gonna get over here and check this thing out, check this situation out. We already have a wrecker on the way. We already have a plan in place, and we're gonna make this thing happen. Now, we're not gonna let a broke down truck get in the way of us taking care of our customers. You know, we provide the most outstanding pest control service experience ever. Even if that means doing it with a broke down truck. Even if that means doing it with one less truck, we're gonna make it happen, whatever it takes. What's going on, man? You broke down?
Yep.
You think it's a starter?
Yeah, there was smoke coming out of the starter when Willis was under there.
Smoke coming out?
Yeah.
We think it's a starter. Right here.
How was that tank? How full are the tanks?
It's basically full. The water tank. That's about 650, 700 gallons of water.
Is gonna be too much water in there, you think? Or?
I'm about to try it real quick first. Find out.
Chemical tank.
Always something.
Always. Ain't never go one day without it, can we?
No.
I didn't do it that way.
Always something.
I don't think I've ever been recorded by GoPro on a tow. Ever.
Hey, this is always the first time for everything. Coming down, yeah, I was right behind you. I didn't even realize. I was like, oh man, there's my boy. Come on, he's coming to the rescue. Weiss Record did a rescue.
I should be about. I should be out.
H&S pretty good about getting our stuff in and out, and
they're crazy about doing their commercial accounts, and that's where the good money's at.
yeah, they take care of us, man. I appreciate them guys. An inconvenience to us, you know, but
It happens, man. You can't control it. It's man.
you know what I say? It's business. Man, y'all got out here pretty quick.
I was the one that actually answered their phone and took the call down.
Really?
I was like, I'm good at this thing, so you're short-handed. I'll do it real quick.
Thanks for getting out here, man.
Just out of curiosity, why do y'all start recording?
YouTube channel.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's it, man. Yeah, crazy stuff like that. People, yeah, there you go. People love it, man.
Hey.
Take care, brother. Be good. Tell Spud we said hi.
Always.
Yeah, man. There you go, baby girl. Here he comes. It's about time. It's about time you showed up. All right.
It's a little wet.
Yeah, it is. All right.
Thanks for the shelter.
All right, thanks, brother. Be good. Be safe. Keep him out of trouble.
Oh, I will.
All right.
We'll finish up this day and get her knocked out.
All right. See y'all. Be good.
See you later. Yes, sir.
All right, bye.
Bye.
Man, in business, you find stuff all the time. You run into setbacks and hindrances and obstacles all the time. And either it's going to break you or make you. I've learned to be able just to push through these obstacles, find a way. There's always a way. Some people wait for things to happen. We make things happen. All right, guys, we got our technicians back on the road doing what they do best, and that is making dreams come true. Y'all have a great day, and thank you for watching. God bless.